Hello, guys. There are no certainty on the markets, only probabilities. And yesterday we discovered that 100 millions buy orders in the zone of 20, and only 30 millions sells order in the zone of 15, somewhere here. And usually the accumulation of orders is a magnet for the price. And price usually fill up this or just touch it and bumped off if the volume if big, if huge. And if to go into 1 hour time frame, I could count here a triangle, and there is indicators that the price in scope of this correction will not go further, and the correction will be shallow, maybe only about something 30 USDT per one Dogecoin. It could be like this, but as I said before, there are no certainties. Maybe if we to look on the broader picture, we can find something interesting. And here is the top of the previous bull market. And after this, we had three waves down. It's classical Elliott wave zigzag. And but what this part of price action is, and I have seen charts where it's labeled as a triple zigzag. Number one zigzag, number two zigzag, and this triple zigzag. What's interesting, if you to measure the height of C subwave or first zigzag, the targets of this formation is already almost fulfilled. At least it is finished somewhere in 15.6. And it could be, fire could be. And what's interesting, also, this figure, this price action, could be diagonal. At least I measured the ratios between potential B and C waves, and the ratios are matching. What's even more interesting, if to measure the targets of wave D, the targets are already fulfilled as well. And it also could be diagonal by form. I could calculate here threes and fives. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1 at this moment. And if you see how usually the subwaves are resemble each other, and if you look on this part, you see this 1, 2, and after this 3. And my base scenario, the price will be similar to this, something like this. Right now, hopefully, pull back up to 20s, and the final subway could send us, but where? And to answer where, it's need a little bit more context. Diagonal is usually only, so first of all, it's mostly motion figure. And motion mean a figure of bull markets. And it's only 5-wave structure in direction of main trend. But which main trend? Main trend was 3 waves down. It's here. It's bear structure. Could it be that this low at 0.47 was the end of bear market for Dogecoin? The first spike price action we had here in October, November of 22, 2 months before bull market on Bitcoin has launched. Uh, the next scene, diagonals are one more time are usually in terminal points of larger patterns, and diagonals are ends with a short through hour of trend channel. And you see we have a short throughout of the trend channel here. So the targets of of this potential diagonal figure has fulfilled at this moment. And maybe we should anticipate a correction at this moment. Maybe. Uh, yes, it could be that uh, it's a bull figure, and this diagonal is diagonal in a first subwave of bull market. And the targets in this case, so it start a five wave, Elliott five impulse. The targets in this case would be the crossing the primary trend channel, which started here. Here is the first touch. Here is the second touch. I count this place as a third sub wave. According to my calculation, it's on the third subwave primary degree. So if we're in a bull market, the end target about will be somewhere here, about $10 for one Dogecoin. Nevertheless, it's the other possibility. Uh, it could be measured the same way. Here is the Hess of subwave C of the zigzag, and it will be measured by exit trend line here, and it's here in this place. This is force subwave. If you try to calculate subwaves of this motion wave, it's only force wave, and the endpoint ensuring could be here. Maybe the answer lies in on other charts. And here is an example of classical ending diagonal on Dow Jones Industrial Average. Here you see exit out of the trending channel. And after this, we had a nice 30 years bull market after this exit. Here's the exit from our diagonal, and 30 years. There is also, you should keep in mind that there is another opinion that the bull market of the world is bull market are ending. It's the final stage. And how the price of Dogecoin will influence all of the stock market will crash. Uh, in the same time, here we have a total crypto market capitalization. And the technical analysis here is saying that the exit from this figure could lead the cryptocurrency capitalization about 20 trillions. More probable it will be about 4 trillions only. And you see, if we try to apply Elliott wave analysis here, we could count here an impulse structure 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 subwave is started. But when it's finished, only God knows. So for sure, we see that the previous markets we had a good exit above 17. So the only safe position in the current situation with your Dogecoin, maybe it's to fix part of your positions, maybe at least of half. But who knows? So anyway, have a good, safe trading and fat profits, and see you again.